All right, now let's implement data type standardization. We'll go to new as usual to implement or upload data from our local computer. Let's click on upload files to volume. Let's click on browse, then select files and we'll browse the file from our local computer. Let's double click on our branch order, which is our input file for the demo. We'll select our as usual demo volume where we'll be running queries now. I'll click on upload to upload the file from my local computer to Databricks, and we got a green signal here. Looks good. Now let me go to SQL editor. Now let's click on SQL query. Now first things first, we need to create a branch table. So we are using create or replace table, and we are naming the table as branch orders. So let's first create the table, which is where we have just uploaded, right? We have uploaded the files in demo volume. Now I'm just creating one table out of it, which is our basically branch table. I'll just select this, the first step. Above is the comment line, right? The double dash is comment, which won't get executed, just for reference. I'll click on run. All right, looks good. No errors. So now let's do a select star from our branch table to check it out what the raw schema and values before transformation. And there we go. We got the amount as here 100 and here is 200.50, and somewhere it's null as well. So in the silver table, right, we got to remove the malformed data, right? We don't need this, let's say, and we need to make the data type standardization. Like it should be with 2 decimal places. Here it doesn't look good, right? It doesn't have the precision here. Now in the third step, if we look, so we are basically creating a silver table with standardized types. So I'll just run this and looks good. It ran successfully. So basically we have defined the correct data types for each column and handling nulls. If you look here, we have used cast here, right? Remember, for the amount in the branch table, there was a, if I run this query, right, select star, remember there was 2 decimal places here. So that we have tackled here. If you look here, decimal 10,2, that is, it will give 2 precisions, right? Now this looks good. So let's do a select let's first describe the silver table, the data type. So data type now looks good. We have date and decimal with the 2 precisions here. Now let's verify the data loaded into the silver table, and there we go. We have a perfect data here, that we have perfect successfully standardized data types and removed the null. Remember, there was a null in the, if you run this query in the branch table, if you remember the row number 3 with order ID 3, there's an amount null, right? So in the silver table, we have cleansed everything. The data is perfect, no null. And if you look at the amount here as well, in 100.00 is there, right, with precision, just like here in order ID 2, we have like 200.50 with precision, right? So we have created and verified this silver table where data type looks good. We have standardized the data type. So that's what it goes for this tutorial. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lecture.